10 types of diary. 1. Personal diary. A personal diary is a type of journal used to record personal thoughts, feelings, and experiences. 2. Travel diary. A travel diary is a type of journal used to record travel experiences, including places visited, people met, and adventures had. 3. Food diary. A food diary is a type of journal used to track what you eat and drink, including calories and nutrients. 4. Fitness diary. A fitness diary is a type of journal used to track fitness routines, including workouts, goals, and progress. 5. Dream diary. A dream diary is a type of journal used to record dreams and analyze their meanings. 6. Prayer diary. A prayer diary is a type of journal used to record prayer requests, scriptures, and personal reflections. 7. Gratitude diary. A gratitude diary is a type of journal used to record things you are grateful for each day. 8. Work diary. A work diary is a type of journal used to record work-related tasks, goals, and accomplishments. 9. Study diary. A study diary is a type of journal used to track academic progress, including assignments, exams, and grades. 10. Creative diary. A creative diary is a type of journal used to record creative ideas, including sketches, poems, and stories. Remember, there are many types of diary, and you can choose the type that best suits your interests and needs. Keeping a diary can be a great way to reflect on your experiences and improve your mental health and well-being.